The federal government has directed the Nigerian Mission in Thailand not to evacuate stranded individual who failed to settle his or her accommodation and feeding charges ahead of repatriation. This was written in a letter to the evacuees by the head of Chancery, Nigerian Mission in Thailand, Nicholas Uhomoibhi, dated 14th of May 2020. As stated, "Dear prospective evacuees, I am directed to bring to your attention that due to measures that are beyond the control of the COVID-19 local organizing team in Nigeria, all evacuees going to Nigeria henceforth are to now pay quarantine isolation in hotel or accommodation center before departure and arrival in Nigeria. In this regard, all prospective evacuees are to know the negotiated rate, accommodation, and 15,000 for 16 days, number 240,000, feeding, and 3,600 for 16 days, number 57,000. Total, and 297,000 in Nigeria. The rates were negotiated in Nigeria and the embassy has been directed not to airlift any evacuees who fail to pay the fees.